A field of 15 will go postward in the 105th running of the Jamaica Derby over 12 furlongs at the season's final classic on Wednesday's 11-race Independence Day program at Caymanas Park. As many as 5 entrants could dominate the betting for the $7.5 million contest. The Blue Ribbon event of local racing is expected to produce a Titanic clash between Jamaica St. Leger winner I Dream Again, the mount of Robert Halladine, and currently the 5-2 anti-post favourite, 1,000 Guineas winner Burning Hedge at 3-1 with Dick Cardenas, 2,000 Guineas winner Sensational Soul, the mount of Big Race Daddy Shane Ellis at 7-2, and a Nuclear Jet at 9-2 with champion jockey Radish Roman. The Jason Acosta trained I Dream Again has peaked at the right time, and despite expecting to face stiffer competition this time around, the 3-year-old Bay Colt is very much capable of repeating his Jamaica St. Leger performance. Da Costa is expecting another big effort and does not think the extra 2 furlongs will pose any serious problem.
Well, he's been holding his gallop a lot better. But before we had a problem when he came into the straight with us. Let the gallop go. He wouldn't get tired, but he just wouldn't bother to do the gallop. Now he's holding his gallop right through the wire and galloping out good. So I'm really happy with his preparation. I don't think it will be a problem. He's bred to go long, and the way he's been training, it shows no stamina limitation.
1,000 Guineas winner Burning Hedge finished with a tremendous rattle in the St. Leger to take third by just 2 lengths after being well off the pace with half a mile remaining. Former champion jockey Dick Cardenas has replaced the current champion Radish Roman on the Carl Anderson trained Chestnut filly.
Very nice filly. You know, it's been working really good. Also in the race name have some good horses too. So, you know, fingers crossed and make the classic winning post in front.
2,000 Guineas winner Sensational Soul could only manage 4th by 7 3/4 lengths in the St. Leger after losing a shoe during the event. His trainer and jockey, who combined with Calculus to win the 2021 edition, believe Sensational Soul is now ready to produce a much improved effort.
Came out to the race, the St. Leger, and he had a little issue. We've conquered that and we have moved on. I think he has an excellent chance of winning. So everything going right for him right now. I didn't change my program with him, just less track work and more swimming. And he's doing very good.
Coming into this derby is like, we just paced him 7 furlong, the first one like 135 easy, just to keep him fitness, and then the other one was like 133 easy again. Because we already know that he's fit, he has the Guineas and the St. Leger under his girth, so we're just keeping him fit.
Nuclear Jet will now be ridden by champion jockey Radish Roman, and despite losing the ride on Burning Hedge, Roman says his mount could very well be on the premises when the major share is being decided.
Well, he's improving day by day and he's a very nice horse, so I know he will have a very good shot into the Derby.
Nuclear Jet's stable companion, Mark My Identity with former champion jockey Dane Dawkins, could be the surprise package. The Jamaica Derby will be run as the 11th and final event at 5:50 p.m, while first post for the 11-race card is 11:30 a.m. Having written to the